Hi, in this video I will show you how you can join the affiliate program of TradingView and hopefully make some nice money from it. So what you need to do is you need to go to the TradingView website and then scroll all the way down on this website. So let's do that right now. Just go to the footer of the website, just like this, and here you see a lot of links, but don't get overwhelmed because this is actually relatively easy. Now, a lot of people think that they need to tap on refer a friend. So on a community, you see refer a friend. But what happens when you tap on refer a friend and you share this link? So what you can do is you can tap on get referral link right here, and you can share this link. This is your own personal link. But when someone signs up for TradingView and buys something, you get coins instead of like real money. So that is kind of weird. So I do not recommend you to go to the refer a friend part of TradingView, but really go to, instead of refer a friend, go to partner program right here. So under for business, you see partner program. Just tap on that, and as you can see, earn with TradingView. Become an affiliate partner and make cash by promoting a product for your followers will love. So you see some information, the biggest in the world when it comes to all things investing. We are global and support 20 languages worldwide. We've paid out over 10 millions to our partners, and that is growing. That is genuinely insane. So now you can see how much you're gonna earn. So what you see is you see basically the non-professional plans and the professional plans. Now I think the professional plans are not realistic for us to promote, because most of the people, like 99.9%, buys the non-professional plans instead of the professional, because like the name says, you need to be a professional if you want to buy this. All right. So the non-professional plans, we have the Essential, Plus and Premium plan, and the Essential plan is only $15 per month if you want to buy it, but the commission is $10 per month every month, which is insane. So this is really a high amount, a high percentage of commissions. So there's a lot to earn, and that proves, those numbers don't lie. So there's a lot of money to be earned for you. Now, what you need to do is first read through all of this. You get referred user benefits. So the person you will refer gets up to $15. Basically, they just get $15 discount. So what you can do is you can say, hey, if you use the link in my description, you will get a $15 discount. This is both a benefit for me as well as for you. You get access to partner tools, so like you can access their logos, dedicated support, etc. Timely payments, which is of course very nice, and a 90-day conversion window. So this is also very cool. So imagine someone signs up for using your link in the description, for example, using your TradingView affiliate link, and 19 days later he decides to buy a plan. You still get that commission, although it was 90 days ago. So that's very cool. If it's longer than 90 days, it sadly isn't possible anymore. But the attractive returns, so they have an EPC of $17.50, which is relatively high. So basically that means if you get around 100 clicks, the average is the average amount you will earn is $17.50, which is pretty good. So what you just need to do is first, of course, read always the partner program rules. That's very important. But if you read through that, you can tap on become a partner. And as you can see, welcome to the club. More earnings, earn up to $350 for the first monthly subscription, and end up to which is insane, $1,500 for the annual ones. Quick payouts, once verified, of course. Advanced analytics, and showcase your traffic. So ready for your first payout, earn at least $100 to begin. So that is quite a high amount, to be honest, $100. But if you really promote it like heavily, that is that's possible. So that one, let's go. And you don't have to get accepted. You don't have to go through a lot of information. That's why I love TradingView's affiliate program. So right here you can see your balance, so that you straight away you can see it. So this is your link. So you can use this link builder to generate your custom affiliate link. So if you want to drive traffic to a specific part of TradingView's website, for example, yeah, if it's a specific chart, for example, so not the homepage, you can add that right here, or you can add your final link. So just, yeah, when you copy this link, you will redirect the traffic to their homepage. And here are some guidelines. Always, follow these, of course. And here you can see the clicks, so how many clicks you've gotten in total, or today, yesterday, etc. And as I say, please note that the above click data is approximate. To track the exact numbers of clicks, please use your own click tracker. All right, so you can use a tool for like for example, Bitly or something like that. That is a nice way to track all of your clicks. Now reports, so you can export all of your data, your sign up, trials, refunds, chargebacks, etc. And again, you can filter this on specific time periods. Finance, so your payment statistics, lifetime earnings, pending, approved, paid, payment rules, as you can see. And again, the minimum withdrawal amount is $100. Creative, so here you can basically download specific logos and just creative, just ads, etc. of TradingView, so you don't have to make them yourself, and you can just directly publish them and share them around your social media platforms. And here you can see an FAQ, so which traffic sources are accepted, etc., etc. I also recommend you reading through everything. Yeah, that's very important. Now, how are you actually gonna make money with the TradingView affiliate program? Because of course it's nice to have an affiliate link, but you of course also need to promote that link and promote TradingView as a platform in order to make money. Now, something that I use is System.io. Now, System.io is basically an all-in-one marketing platform, or let me just quickly close this. All-in-one, as you can see, all-in-one marketing platform, and it's really, really easy to use. So let me go to features right here, and this is everything in one place. So you can set up your own affiliate, sales funnels, email marketing, website builder, affiliate program management, business automation, evergreen webinars, blogging. And what I recommend you to do is just create a website with System.io, and then create a course around trading, or create a blog around trading, sell products around trading like ebooks, create a webinar around trading, email list around trading, sales funnels. There are a lot of ways to make money with this, but I like blogging the most. So just blog about trading, and every time in that blog you just do a small promotion about TradingView. If you want to get started with TradingView, here's a $15 discount, etc. And this way you can make money. And this is a way that I make money myself as well. Or what you also can do is create a YouTube channel and push that link in the description or in the video. As you can see, you can create sales funnels very easily, which is very nice. Send marketing emails, so you can just really push your links, your affiliate links, and you can build websites very easily with the system. Manage your affiliates, so you can even create affiliates yourself, create an affiliate program yourself, which is very cool. Create online courses, automate your marketing, etc. So I have a link in the description below for System.io. If you want to get started with it, I do recommend it. You can just get started for free, which is very cool. But if you want more features, you can use this plan or any other plans. But the free version is great as well. So I recommend you checking that out. So again, TradingView is a very, very great platform, very great affiliate marketing program. So make sure you check it out. And if you have any questions, just ask them down below in the video. And I hope this video was helpful. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.